What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use the distraction free and full screen editor mode into our WordPress website. So imagine the following scenario. You need to write an important post for your blog for this week, but you have no idea, and every time you see a new browser notification, a new pop-up, a new thing into your WordPress sidebar, and it remembers you from other important things on your WordPress site. So the very first thing to do is locate your post, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics not just internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is locate your post that you would like to edit and start writing content with full focus, okay? So as you can see, there is a lot of distractions right here. We have some buttons, we have some browser windows, we have the WordPress left sidebar of menus. So the most important thing to do is locate on your keyboard, type full screen. Normally we have the F11. Okay, so in Windows it's F11 to make the full screen. It gonna removes other distractions, for example, okay? And after this, we can go to the WordPress upper right corner, into these three little dots next to your logo type, click right here into these three little dots, and we have right here the full screen mode and the distraction free mode. And you can type Ctrl+Shift+I, okay? So click right here. And there is no more distractions on the WordPress, okay? Nothing else. But we can go better, we can make it better in the case that we want. You can go to the full screen mode, okay? So now we have the full distraction free mode into your site, okay? All you can see into your window, into your desktop monitor, it's the post, edition, and content. So you can fully focus, just like your computer is only made for this. Using this, you can focus into what is important for your site, that is really the content, okay? And if you want to remove, all you have to do is move your mouse over the top screen, go back to the three little dots, and remove the full screen mode and the distraction free mode. After this, you can type F11 again and go back, but imagine that you are using the old WordPress editor, okay? For example, if you are into posts, you can go to posts, into products, open a product, and as you can see, a lot of noise as well. Here it's quite simpler, okay? You have to do it once again, F11 to remove the browser tabs, and there is a distraction free writing mode into the WordPress editor, into the upper right corner of this screen editor. By the way, your screen editor may look smaller because you did not click it into the toolbar right here, but you can see this button. After this, you can focus into the content, okay? There's nothing else for you to worry about. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our full templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, if for premium, icons, assets, design elements, blocks, plugins, and many more features. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!